In this video, I'm going to review all of the resources for the Wiki Country project. So for week 3 overview, there is really essentially no content regarding how to complete this project. It just goes over the learning outcomes. So heading down over here to the readings and resources, we'll click here. And this is actually going to be my video. This is the old video, but this is just a general overview. The first step is you'll be creating an Adobe account. You'll click here and you will go ahead and start your Adobe template. So I want to emphasize that you want to type all of your overview and synthesis narratives into a Word document. I've had too many students lose all their work because they did not publish, or there was some type of technical glitch, whether it was on the student end or Adobe, but most of the time is because students did not publish. Okay, so put it all in a Word document and make sure that Word document is being saved to the cloud as you write, or you have other backup system in place. This video here reviews how to get started with Adobe, and this is a sample Wiki Country webpage. There is some content in it, but it does show you how to organize the template. Okay, and so that is that link. I will go back to week 3. And then I'm just going to skip down over here and I'm going to click on the assignment. Okay, so you will be reviewing the videos and documents, but I just did want to scroll down here. There's information here, how to, how to submit your assignment and the importance of saving your work. So you want to make sure you publish and share your project regularly. Okay, not share, but publish it. When you are ready to share it with me to submit your work, you want to make sure that you update this link here when you are done and ready to upload the link. Okay, and then as you scroll down, I wanted to show you here, this is where you find the rubric for the project. Okay, and now that we're on that, I did want to go over the rubric with you. I'm just going to pause this for a moment. So this is the rubric. You can see that it shows all of the different sections of the web page, and it tells you which sections have an overview and which sections have a synthesis. So this document doesn't tell you anything about what is going to be part of the overview or the synthesis, but it just tells you the expectation and the point allocation. Okay, you will review all of the resources in week 3 for all the directions and expectations. Okay. All right, so we'll go back to week 3. And now I'm going to go over the documents. So the overview document, overview content actually, let me open up that document. Getting there. Okay, so this is the overview content. So we've got, starts off here with part 1. This is just a general overview about gathering the data. Okay, you're going to be sharing graphs, images, videos, and narratives. So you'll read through this, and of course you'll be in touch with me if you have any questions. But essentially, each of the sections have bullet points and they have graphs. So you're going to gather the data on this information here, and this in parentheses shows you how that will be displayed on your Adobe platform, your template. Okay, so you just keep scrolling down and you'll see all of the information that you need for each section, and you just keep going down. So that's essentially what this document is. It actually tells you exactly what you need to research. The next document here is resources for Wiki country data. And this will be that document here. And so this document, you will be referring to this document as you conduct your research, but you'll want to look at it from your computer because all of these are hyperlinked. So that way you can obtain data from the sources that I have shared here with you, or you just do simple online searches. So for example, if you're looking for something about homelessness in Brazil, just type in homelessness in Brazil in your search field, and you will likely find a great deal of data. If you cannot find any information, contact me and I can help you out. And we'll make a plan as to whether you just move on to the next one or I can help you find it. Okay. The next one is how to write the overview. I'm going to get that one now. So this is the document on how to write the overview. This is a detail-oriented document that goes over the graphs, the SDG snapshots, which I think was right above that. The SDG snapshots, these are snapshots that you're putting in your wiki. I refer to it as a wiki. Talks about use of scholarly literature and websites, what to do if you can't find information. And this is an important part. Understand the APA expectations and exceptions. This will save you time. Okay, so refer to this a couple times. And essentially all of these documents that I'm reviewing here with you, you will look at it initially as you get acclimated to the assignment. And then in week 3, when you are finishing gathering your information, look through it again, make sure that you have covered everything. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of the resource document. And then the next one is how to write a synthesis. Get that one. How to write the synthesis. So again, this goes into great detail. There's a couple different approaches. As to how to complete this section. Just again, read through this initially to get acclimated to the expectation, and then you will then look at it in more depth in week 3. Okay. So it is a long document. Print it out, refer to it as you write, and you can do quite well with this. Keeping in touch with me as you write it will be really very helpful. Okay, move that one out of the way. Whoops. Okay, move the rubric out of the way. And then the last resource is the PowerPoint. So this is the PowerPoint that our librarian, Jennifer Collins, created for the class. So you'll just look through all of this. Again, you might want to review it in your own time, whether initially and then a couple times later on. Okay. So that is a general overview. The key piece to doing well on this assignment is to keep in touch with me, that you don't spend an inordinate amount of time on one data point. That can just steal all your time. Sending me your first draft of your synthesis can help strengthen that narrative. And if you watch the previous video about a suggested timeline, planning for how to complete this project and all others in this class, as well as chipping away at it little by little from preview week all the way up through week 3. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the project. It is a heavy assignment, but it is doable with planning and with chipping away at it each day, every 2 days or so. All right, that's that. Take care.